Hi guys, and welcome to this educational analysis video of the swing trade what I have performed recently. So in this trade, this is where I have taken entry on this particular chart. Okay, so after taking the entry here, you can see how the price has been performed. Okay, so once the price has gone up, I've taken my exit somewhere close to somewhere over this range. Okay, so this is where I've taken my exit and this is where I've taken my entry. So now let's talk about how did I analyze this entry and the exit point. Okay, so firstly, if you guys can see here, so this chart was performing in this price range. Okay, so once this price range gave a breakout on this resistance level, that's when I took the entry. So you can see here this swing high and the swing low was performing almost from 5 to 6 months. Okay, so this price range was moving in almost 5 to 6 months of range. Okay, so once this range gives a breakout, so I thought that there will be a good momentum towards the upper side if it gives a breakout here, or if the downer side breaks, then there will be good momentum towards the downer side. But as you guys can see in this particular chart, the upper side gave a breakout and I've taken my swing entry here. So after that, this was my resistance level on the previous 6 to 7 months of data. If you see here, so this was a highest point. Okay, so this was also a resistance level, so that's the reason why I kept this next resistance level as a target, and you can see the price from here has moved up and I've taken my exit in this resistance level. So this was how I analyze this particular trade. Okay, so this was a swing trade what I have done. So you can see here within almost like 5 to 6 days of gap, the price has hit this resistance level and the target was achieved in this particular chart formation. So this is how I analyzed and this is how I traded on this particular thing. Okay, and please note this video is only for educational purpose, and yes, of course the trading does involve risk, so you have to have a good risk reward management and a good money management to make a good trades in trading. Okay, so if you guys are new to the stock market trading, or if you guys are interested in learning more about trading skill and knowledge, you can contact on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen for more educational details. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.